Getting started with automated testing using Selenium, a complete guide. Hello, testers and developers. Welcome back to H2Kinfosys, your go-to resource for mastering quality assurance techniques. Today, we're diving into the world of automated testing with a focus on one of the most powerful tools in the industry, Selenium. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this video will guide you through creating your first automated test script. Let's get started. What is Selenium? Selenium is a robust set of tools that supports rapid development of test automation for web-based applications. It works across different browsers and platforms, mimicking real user actions in real time. But why Selenium? It's open source, supports multiple programming languages, and integrates seamlessly with other frameworks. In short, it's a tester's best friend for automation. Setting up Selenium. First, you'll need to set up Selenium. You can download the Selenium WebDriver and choose the bindings for your preferred programming language, like Python, Java, or C. For today's example, we'll use Python because of its simplicity and readability. Install Selenium pip install Selenium. Let's create a simple automated test to log into a website. We'll automate a test case for logging into a demo site. From Selenium import WebDriver. From selenium.webdriver.common.keys import keys. Set up the Chrome WebDriver, driver webdriver.chrome. Navigate to the login page. Driver.get http://example.com/login. Select the username field, input username, username driver.find_element_by_name username. Username.send_keys your _username. Select the password field, input password. Password driver.find_element_by_name password. Password.send_keys your _password, keys.return. Print the title to ensure we are logged in. Print logged in successfully driver, title. Close the browser. Driver.quit. This script opens a browser, navigates to a login page, inputs a username and password, and logs into the account. It then prints out the page title to confirm the login before closing the browser. When using Selenium, here are some best practices. Keep your tests maintainable by using page object models, which separate your test logic from HTML structure. Optimize test execution by running tests in parallel and using headless browsers when visual feedback isn't necessary. Stay organized by categorizing your tests and using proper naming conventions. Conclusion. That's a wrap on our introduction to automated testing with Selenium. Remember, practice is key to mastering Selenium, so try to build more test cases and explore its vast capabilities. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more quality content. Drop your questions and experiences in the comments below. Happy testing!